Where are they at?
Right there.
I don't see them anywhere.
Yes, you don't see them up there?
Oh, now I do. Up there.
Is that bats or birds?
No, that's birds.
Oh, there's another one. Look at them. There's some over there too.
This is a place that's known only among the super rich. It's a little town just outside Amsterdam in the Netherlands. This is hollow ground for the world.
Let me know if some more are coming up from below. I can't see them. Whew. Oh, that is so cool.
Yeah.
It's like a ghost flying around.
That's neat. I asked God, I said, please let it last long enough for him to get it on. And then they go up there afterwards.
Having that friendship name on a yacht is like having a Rolls-Royce hood ornament on a car. They are behind some of the world's most talked about super yachts. Friendship built the yacht for Steve Jobs, gorgeous futuristic boat called Venus, and they built Larry Ellison's latest yacht called Musashi. So Musashi was named after a famous Japanese samurai. It's more than 250 people.
They got to be riding like the hot air or something.
Oh, wow. That's cool though.
Now, as yachts have gotten bigger, have you had to expand your largest shed here in the yard? Twice. In the past?
10 years ago, the city was we had to lengthen the shed another 10 meters.
It's all because boats have gotten bigger, haven't they?
There's some.
There's been a revolution in the mega yacht world, and that's because the average size of mega yachts has more than